Okay, today I've got these almond colored deal here and got everything converted to white. And these are between $30 and $50 depending on where you buy them. They're actually occupancy sensors. Turns on the light, turns off the light, and turns off the light automatically after a set time, and you can set the time and modify the time and everything. Problem is this one's Almond, and got 3 of these in here, so if I'm doing a big remodel project at $50 a piece, it's gonna add up. And so what I'm gonna be doing today is what I've got is an epoxy appliance paint. And this may take more than one coat, but I'm basically just going to paint the finish on. Nothing too fancy about it, but just going to convert it to white. And of course I'm going to avoid hitting the occupancy sensor itself. So there's 2 ways to do this. I'm showing you this way first, which is just with a little brush in the cap. Stuff dries fairly quick. The other way to do this, of course, is with spray paint. And either way is effective. Spray paint's probably a little faster. You'll just have to put some tape over the occupancy part. Anyway, there's the top part there. I may need to follow this up with a couple coats. Either way, it's not too big a deal. Avoid the LED, of course. And a good way to get it all is to go one way with your first coat and then go the opposite direction with your second coat. And you may want to sand it first a little bit before putting this on, just to get a good adhesion, but it is an epoxy, so another little button. Could always pop the button off and take it outside, spray paint it. Either way. So I did it top to bottom, now I'll just go along, take it sideways here. Kind of down side there, a little almond face. Details. All about them little details. Anyway, that's the first coat. Get in there and straighten it up a little. Yeah, it's going to be perfect. Once it's all finished, it's real easy. Anyway, there it is. Saved about $50. If you need to, you can take a razor blade and slice in between if it causes any problems. And also around the outside, clean it up and make it perfect. That should be all good. And now our Almond switch cover is white. Good to go. Okay, and something like this here, you can either just take a razor blade, or I'm just going to take my knife and just kind of push it in there. There we go. That cleaned it up. Good to go. There's our new switch. All painted in. Looks good to go.